Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with a new video about the iqoo 6, which I've ordered from the official website. If you want to get a fast delivery, you can use the Amazon link, which is provided in the description. As on from the official website, they are delivering using the delivery service, which is pathetic, and I have received the product after 15 days. Here you can see the transparent case, back case, and also 80-watt flash charge, where you can charge your device within 38 to 40 minutes up to 100%. And here you can see the Type-C port cable for charging your phone, along with the USB port, where you can connect to your adapter and start charging your device. And you can see the cable is around 1 meter. You will get an external USB Type-C to 3.5 mm jack. So if you want to connect any of the audio devices using the wire, you need to connect this external device or the cable that is provided, so that you can start using or listening to the music wire through wire. And this is a SIM tray remover pin, so that you can remove the SIM tray and use the SIM slot. And this is the review of the device, and we have a transparent cover which is given on the phone, so you don't have to worry about adding a cover on the display, which comes along with the phone. And this phone is around 8.5 mm slim design and comes with three cameras on it. One is 64 MP, the other is 8 MP, and 2 MP. 8 MP is the wide angle and 2 MP is the macro lens camera, so that you can take macro photos. So just do the settings as we do for all the devices, and you can start playing the game using the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. This comes with the 144 120 Hz display AMOLED, where you can switch the refresh rate using 60 Hz or 120 Hz from the settings. And also comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and it supports the 5G with 4 bands. I have bought the device of 8 GB RAM, but the company or the phone provides a setting where you can enable 4 GB extra. So if you buy a 8 GB RAM phone, you can use it as a 12 GB RAM phone. This comes with the Snapdragon 870 5G processor for best game experience, and the storage is 128 GB. And this is a dual SIM device where you can use two SIMs 5G. And this device comes with a 4700 mAh battery with 80-watt flash charge, where you can charge your device up to 50% in 12 minutes, and you can watch YouTube for 17 hours if you charge it fully. This is a 6.6-inch display device that comes with FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 12. And also the device looks premium. You can get this device on Amazon using the link is provided in the description. And this is good for gamers. And coming to the camera, I have taken all the pics like selfies, and also using the front and rear cameras. The photos were awesome. You will get 4K recording as well, 30 fps and 60 fps. And there is an iqoo setting where you can just take the videos and there won't be any shaking and all. Hope you like the video. And here, coming to the device, you can see all the specifications in the settings or about us. When you tap on Android 12, you can see the Android 12 logo or design that shows like this. And here is the setting where you can see up to 4 GB of phone storage can be used as the 8 GB plus 4 GB equal to 12 GB RAM. This is all about the device, guys. Hope you like the review. Thank you. Bye.